and welcome to today's session. In this session, we will focus on learning Outcome 1, understanding the principles of computer programming. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of Python programming? This session will guide you through the fundamentals of programming and scripting, showing how Python's powerful features, simplicity, and versatility make it a favorite tool for developers across industries. By the end, you'll understand why Python is not just a language, but a gateway to creating efficient and innovative solutions. This unit focuses on the principles of programming and scripting using Python. Python is a general-purpose language used for various applications like web apps and data pipelines. It's also prevalent in AI, machine learning, and DevOps. Python's flexibility makes it ideal for quick scripts to solve problems. Explore its wide-ranging uses in this unit. Computer programming involves designing and building software to accomplish tasks. Key concepts include algorithms and data structures, control structures, and modularity. Algorithms are step-by-step procedures for solving problems. Data structures organize data efficiently. Control structures guide program flow, including sequence, selection, and iteration. Python is a high-level language known for its simplicity and readability. Its syntax is clear, making code easy to write and understand. Python supports dynamic typing, allowing flexible coding. It's an interpreted language, executing code line by line. The extensive standard library supports diverse tasks, from web development to scientific computing. Python's versatility spans various fields and applications. In web development, frameworks like Django simplify creating web apps. For data analysis, libraries such as Pandas and NumPy are essential. Python scripts automate repetitive tasks, and libraries like Pygame enable game development. DevOps uses Python for server management and deployment automation. Programming paradigms are approaches based on principles and methodologies. Procedural programming uses procedures for computations. Modular programming divides programs into self-contained modules. Functional programming treats computation as mathematical functions. Object-oriented programming encapsulates data and behavior in objects. Python's language constructs are fundamental for writing efficient code. Variables store data dynamically typed at runtime. Constants are conventionally named using uppercase letters. Operators perform various operations on data. Control structures like sequence, selection, and iteration guide execution flow. Libraries and functions extend Python's capabilities. Programming and scripting have distinct characteristics and uses. Programming often involves creating applications with compiled languages. Scripting automates tasks using interpreted languages like Python. Programming is for large-scale development, while scripting is for small tasks. Scripting offers flexibility, quick development, and is ideal for automation. Scripting languages automate and simplify tasks in various contexts. Scripts extract and pre-process data from datasets. They create data pipelines for ETL processes. Scripting is used in back-end web development to handle requests. It automates repetitive tasks like file management. Python scripts are powerful tools for quick and efficient task execution. Procedural programming emphasizes using procedures or routines for computations. It involves a sequence of statements manipulating data. Programs execute in a linear fashion. Procedures are modular units performing specific tasks. Control structures like loops and conditionals guide program flow. Modular programming divides programs into self-contained modules. Each module focuses on a specific functionality. Encapsulation hides internal implementation, exposing only necessary interfaces. Modules enhance reusability and maintainability. They allow independent development and testing of program parts. Functional programming treats computation as evaluating mathematical functions. It avoids changing state or mutable data. Functions are first-class citizens, passed as arguments or returned. Immutability ensures data cannot be modified after creation. Pure functions return the same result given the same arguments. Object-oriented programming focuses on objects encapsulating data and behavior. Classes define blueprints for objects, promoting modularity. Encapsulation bundles data and methods into objects. Inheritance allows creating new classes from existing ones. Polymorphism enables redefining methods in derived classes. Variables store data manipulated and referenced in programs. Python variables are dynamically typed, changing types at runtime. Constants are conventionally named with uppercase letters. Python lacks built-in support for constants. Understanding variables and constants is crucial for effective programming. Operators perform operations on variables and values in Python. Arithmetic operators handle mathematical operations. Comparison operators compare values, returning Boolean results. Logical operators combine Boolean expressions. Assignment operators assign values to variables. Bitwise operators perform bit-level operations. Control structures guide the flow of execution in Python programs. Sequence executes statements in order. Selection uses if, elif, and else for conditional execution. Iteration repeats code blocks using for and while loops. These structures allow creating dynamic and responsive programs. Mastery of control structures is essential for programming. Python libraries extend functionality with pre-written modules. Libraries like NumPy and Pandas aid in numerical computations and data analysis. Built-in functions perform common tasks, enhancing code efficiency. User-defined functions promote code reuse and modularity. Libraries and functions are key to Python's versatility. In conclusion, a thorough understanding of Python's principles and features establishes a strong foundation for software development. Its simplicity, combined with extensive library support, makes Python suitable for a wide range of applications. Mastery of programming paradigms and constructs enhances problem-solving efficiency, while its versatility fosters automation and innovation across multiple domains. Consequently, Python serves as a powerful and accessible tool for both beginners and experienced professionals. For support or questions, reach out via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. We're happy to help. Thank you, and see you in the next session.